Imagine standing on the highest peak of Mount Everest. Now flip that image upside down and sink it deep into the ocean. Even then, the summit wouldn't reach the bottom. Welcome to the Mariana Trench, the deepest, darkest, and most mysterious place on our planet. A place where sunlight never reaches, where pressure could crush steel, yet life continues to thrive. This is the story of Earth's deepest secret, a world more alien than Mars, hidden beneath miles of water, right here on our own planet. The existence of the Mariana Trench wasn't always known. For centuries, the oceans were mysterious, terrifying, and largely unexplored. In the 19th century, as naval technology advanced, scientists began to map the ocean floor. Then came 1875. The British Royal Navy ship HMS Challenger embarked on a groundbreaking expedition. Using simple ropes and weights, they began measuring ocean depths. To their astonishment, one spot in the Pacific near the Mariana Islands seemed bottomless. The numbers shocked the world. Thousands of meters deep, deeper than anyone thought possible. But it wasn't until the mid-20th century, with sonar mapping and deep-sea submersibles, that the trench revealed its true depth, nearly 11,000 meters, the Challenger Deep, named after that very first ship. To put it into perspective, if you dropped Mount Everest into this underwater canyon, its peak would still be over 2,000 meters underwater. What makes the Mariana Trench so unbelievable isn't just its depth, it's what exists down there. First, the pressure. At the bottom, it's over 1,000 times greater than at the surface. That means every square inch of your body would feel the weight of an entire elephant. A human, or even a steel submarine not built for it, would be crushed instantly. Then there's the darkness. Sunlight can only penetrate the top few hundred meters of the ocean. Below that, eternal night. The trench floor has been dark for millions of years, a pitch-black world where life must adapt or perish. And the cold, just a few degrees above freezing. Yet despite these extremes, scientists have discovered life thriving here. Giant amoebas, shrimp-like creatures, even fish living at depths once thought impossible for survival. Some species have evolved to withstand crushing pressure, total darkness, and toxic chemicals. Creatures so bizarre they look alien. Only a handful of humans have ever visited the bottom of the Mariana Trench. In 1960, the bathyscaphe Trieste, piloted by Jacques Picard and Don Walsh, became the first manned vessel to reach the Challenger Deep. They stayed for just 20 minutes before the immense pressure forced them to surface. For over 50 years, no one returned. Then, in 2012, filmmaker James Cameron, yes, the director of Titanic and Avatar, built a one-person submarine and dove nearly 7 miles down, becoming the first to make a solo journey into the trench. In 2019, Victor Vescovo, a former U.S. Navy officer, went even deeper, 10,128 meters, setting a new record. Shockingly, they found not just strange life forms, but also plastic debris, proof that even the remotest corners of Earth aren't safe from human pollution. Despite these missions, less than 0.05% of the ocean floor has been explored. Scientists believe the trench may hide undiscovered species unlike anything on Earth. Clues about the origins of life, since extreme environments like these mimic early Earth conditions. Perhaps even cures for diseases. Deep-sea microbes have unique chemical compounds scientists are studying for medicine. There are also whispers of stranger things, unusual sounds recorded in the trench like the mysterious bloop in 1997, a noise so loud it was first thought to be from a giant unknown creature, though later linked to ice quakes. Could colossal unknown life forms exist in these depths? Some scientists say it's possible. After all, giant squids were once considered mythical, until they were finally filmed in the deep ocean in 2004. Studying the Mariana Trench isn't just about curiosity, it's about survival and understanding our planet. The trench plays a role in climate regulation. Deep-sea currents store and transport heat, carbon, and nutrients. Exploring it can reveal how Earth responds to climate change. It also gives clues about plate tectonics. The trench exists because one tectonic plate slides beneath another, creating earthquakes, tsunamis, and shaping continents over millions of years. And then there's the search for life beyond Earth. If life can exist in the crushing, freezing darkness of the Mariana Trench, perhaps it could survive on icy moons like Europa or Enceladus. The Mariana Trench remains Earth's final frontier, a place more mysterious than the Moon, more remote than Mars. Until we dive deeper, the Mariana Trench will continue to guard its mysteries silent and eternal in the darkness below.